I still remember the moment I saw the 200 walnut slab crack and half my heart sank. In that split second, I questioned every late night I spent in my garage workshop, the countless YouTube tutorials I devoured, and even whether I belonged in this craft at all. But then I paused, took a deep breath, and reminded myself why I started. To turn raw wood into something meaningful. I spent the next hour carefully stabilizing the crack, with epoxy, sanding, until my arms ached, and shaping the slab into the most unique, live-edge coffee table I'd ever envisioned. When I finally placed that finished tabletop in my friend's living room, watching his eyes light up made every splinter and setback worth it. It taught me that failure isn't the end, it's the grain that gives your story its character. So next time you feel like quitting, ask yourself, what masterpiece are you one fix away from? Let's carve out our own legacies, one board at a time.